ओके, तो अभी हम सब नहा लिया और अभी हम लोग रेडी हो रहे हैं मॉल जाने के लिए। तो या ओके, सो हम सब रेडी हो चुके हैं। आई पुट ऑन माय नेल्स। तो
पूरे रस्ते दिमाग खाई बस नेल्स के बारे में। भाईंदा रेडी हो चुका है, मम्मा भी रेडी हो चुकी है
और पापा गाड़ी लेने गए हैं। तो
so we'll meet you in the car.
Okay, so we have reached the car and now we're gonna head to the mall. Okay, so we have reached the mall and now we're gonna go to Flor Mart to get something if we like from there. Otherwise we're gonna go to Sephora then. Okay, so we bought 2 items from Flor Mart. One is cheek and lip balm something. And you bought
lipstick.
a lipstick. So we bought from Flor Mart and now we're gonna go to Sephora.
We are gonna go Baskin Robbins now.
Right now Baskin Robbins. We gotten the ice cream. We have gotten 2 flavors and now there is eating. Okay, so now we have reached Daiso Japan. Okay, so we have came back from Daiso Japan. हमको 2 चीज़ें ही पसंद आई, ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आई. I bought one scrunchie and मम्मा ने कोको के लिए एक टॉय खरीदा. And right now we're heading to Miniso. Okay, so हमको कुछ समझ नहीं आया मिनीसो से, कुछ भी नहीं. So now we're going to Momoso.
We went to Momoso.
We didn't find anything we like, so we didn't buy anything. Okay, तो अभी हम सब खाना खाने जा रहे हैं. हमारी शॉपिंग वगैरह सब कंप्लीटेड है. Okay, so हम लोग वापस स्विमिंग करने गए थे. हम लोग वापस स्विमिंग करने गए थे.
मेरी तबीयत खराब नहीं हुई है.
दिया की तबीयत खराब हो चुकी है और हम लोगों ने वापस नहाया है, वापस बाल धोए क्योंकि स्विमिंग करने गए थे. तो अब आपको सामान दिखाते हैं जो हम लाए हैं. Okay, so we have ordered, not we, Mama had ordered like as a surprise for like something from Katrina Cafe.
Ouch. You must have patience.
Then first we have this velvet cake. Then we have cheesecake.
Okay.
Then we have brownie. Okay, so now let's taste test them. We're gonna go get spoons first. Not bad. That's good.
Okay, now red velvet. Didi.
My cameraman also needs food, guys. Have cake.
No, take this.
For cake, bro. Wow.
अरे यार.
Taste test दिया.
How are you?
That's good. Not bad.
Yeah.
Last but not the least, we have cheesecake. I'm scared for this one because it's half. First of all, half stuck to that.
The low.
Wait, bro.
My gosh.
I need to open this first. I need to figure out the opening. Where the hell?
Just देखो जहाँ डबल लेन किधर है.
वही तो नहीं मिल रही. Okay, never mind, guys. मैंने ऊपर से उतार लिया. I'm smart.
ऐसा.
That's good. Now we're gonna eat all this. Okay, तो हम सबसे पहले आपको दिखाते हैं जो हमने सफर से.
नहीं सफरा लास्ट प्लीज.
Okay, so सफर लास्ट में दिखाएंगे क्योंकि दिया को दिखाना है लास्ट में. तो हम लोग पहले फ्लोर मार्क दिखा लेते हैं. So इसमें मम्मा ने अपने ग्लासेस रख दिए हैं.
लेकिन हम
ये लाए नहीं थे. ग्लासेस रखे गए हैं.
टेक योर स्टफ. हम बस 2 चीज लाए दोस्त.
तो हम सिर्फ 2 चीजें लाए फ्लोर मार्क से. Let's unbox them.
तो पहले मैं लाई हूँ ये लिपस्टिक.
Mine is
like I like nude lipstick, so yeah.
Open it.
एक मिनट. Shade 003 00003. Yeah.
Pinky nude. I have bought this Latte Addiction Lip and Balm Cheek Tint. Lip and Cheek Balm only. In the shade. Guys, there is no shade written, okay?
There is.
No, there's not.
There should be.
There's not. Look, I'm not joking.
Latte addiction. Wait.
That's not the shit's name, idiot. Oh yeah, it's 003 Berry Mocha.
00. मेरा भी 003.
मेरा भी 003 है. It's berry mochi,
Akash.
so.
I'm gonna use my teeth.
Oh, अरे यार. Oh, tape है. Shit, I just noticed. 3 hours late. No. 1 eternity later.
Ouchies.
There, let's ask you a question.
Huh?
What does eternity mean?
Hour. Years.
How did you pass Indian SST, bro?
Because I didn't get it in the necessity paper. Oh shit, I did.
Bro, how is this not opening? I'm done with this now.
Oh my gosh.
Pa! Okay, मेरा खुल गया था. टेप जहाँ तक खुलनी थी. मेरा खुल गया, guys. So we have this very pretty wala. They are still struggling to open it.
Just open mine.
Bruh. How can it be that hard, bro? It's not that hard.
I have a broken leg.
Broken leg doesn't equal it to a broken hand. You can't blame everything on your leg. Like she'll say I have a fracture in my leg, so that's why my brain's not working. You know what? I'm gonna show her lipstick later, bro. I'm done with the lipstick.
Lipstick दिखा दी मैं बस.
I'm done with the lipstick now.
I'm
So
eating
we bought
gummies
this
in that side.
various
eating gummies.
candies which he bought. He's eating all of them.
ये Coco.
We have this Coco ka toy for Coco. Then I bought this one very pyara scrunchie from
हमको
Mumuso.
ये black लाना चाहिए.
No, sorry, not Mumuso.
Blue
Daiso
लाना चाहिए
Japan.
था. Blue लाना चाहिए
From
था.
Daiso Japan, these two things.
So now the Big Mac.
Big bag, guys.
I'm gonna show my stuff. You show my your stuff. Okay?
All of them are mine only.
Hey, let's just dump it first. I'm gonna show these two, and you show whatever you want.
So
This is ours.
This
so
is
I'll
my-
show this.
this is my okay. Fine, you know what?
So I'll start. First, I'll start.
By the way, this Rare Beauty and Summer Fridays I've bought.
Hey,
Even that Easy Bake Duo, she was gonna come in, bro. She was not gonna buy it because she thought she didn't like it anymore, but I forced her to buy it. And
because it is good. Okay.
it
so
tastes
first-
good.
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
Is. Ah yes, it is good.
I heard it tastes
Okay,
good.
so this is Joy. Should I show it on my finger?
This is Joy, guys.
It's from Rare Beauty.
It's the liquid blush of Rare Beauty in the shade Joy.
Ooh, it's a first Rare Beauty product, right?
I think. Guys, we don't mind us fighting.
Yeah, you're so yeah.
What is onion yoya? So very pretty applicator.
Now you show whatever you want to show.
Guys, it's gay.
It's not gay.
Okay. Then I have my favorite Huda Beauty product which I've been dying to get for so long, but I couldn't find it anywhere.
The Jisoo.
It's Gisu, bro. It's not that hard to pronounce. I have this Huda Beauty lip stain.
You want to eat?
It's a very nude shade, but
दिखाओ.
very pretty. Don't use it on your hand, it's gonna ruin
अरे
it.
sure आपने भी तो यूज किया.
Product किसका है?
ओ बस इतना ही
कहाँ
था.
ऊपर से निकाल रही हो?
क्या ये भाई यार.
You have to shake
Show
it.
me the lip oil.
Bro, I've been dying to get this lip oil as well. Like,
दिखा.
definitely go buy this, guys.
Okay.
This is the lip gloss in the shade Juicy Pink Lady, and the lip tint is Rosewood.
Oh jeez. Now I'm gonna put Summer Fridays.
Okay. If you guys love Huda Beauty, run and get this product ASAP. The
My
shade
gosh!
you choose.
It looks so pretty.
The shade you can like just choose it by yourself.
Guys, it's my first Summer Fridays product, so yeah, I'm very excited for it.
I was gonna buy a different shade, but I didn't like that shade, so we bought this duo one. And these two are the newest shades, so
Yeah, so
it's
yeah.
birthday cake and strawberry soft serve.
This is
These two come together.
this is birthday cake.
This is
I'm gonna
birthday
try
cake.
it out.
Use it. It's matching your dress also today. I'm gonna show this one. This is
Wow, it's so hydrating.
this is strawberry soft serve.
Already. No cuts and it's so pretty.
No cuts. Where did cuts come from, bro? Oh God! Sorry guys, I'm a bit slow. Sorry guys. So pretty. I love it. For context, I'm the one who bought this because this one was.
I buy
selling-
nothing,
Yeah, you bought nothing.
but I tell her what to buy.
No.
Suggestions, you know.
No. I forced her to buy it. She's like, no, I don't want it. I'm like, no, you're getting it.
Chalo, no. Open your Jisoo.
It's Gisu.
Jisoo. This is...
By then, show your easy bake powder.
No, we'll go line by line.
It's not opening. Not my fault.
Okay,
never mind.
Okay, it opened. I was gonna open it only, you know.
So I have.
You got Jisoo.
Say Gisu one more time.
It's Jisoo only.
It's. Oh wait, it's Gisu. Sorry.
It's not Jisoo. No.
Thank you.
Not here?
No, I don't want.
But tell you where it's not.
Okay, so I have this honey infused lip oil in the shade Mango Passion Punch.
Now you know what's the meaning of cuts.
Shut up.
बताओ क्या meaning होता है cuts का?
No, you didn't stop the video at all.
I don't know.
This is a very pretty shade though.
I don't know if Clippers that one, but yeah, whoever gives a damn. Hey, now. My favorite part of the.
People are gonna be like, oh, Gisu came so long ago and by the time it wasn't available. I went to like almost 3 to 4 Sephora's. I couldn't find it anywhere.
This is also not available.
He's been dying to get this.
Like, I'm so happy for it.
Open it now.
It's like the 2-in-1 wala.
Okay. I will throw you off the bed also now.
It's the 2-in-1 wala.
Shami?
Huh? No, open Didi, please. Didi, yes, please.
Okay. And the 2 shades in this is Cherry Blossom Cape.
That's the
Cape.
only shade they have right now.
Cape? Sorry. Cherry Blossom. Have you ever seen someone this stupid? Yeah, I have, bro. I live with her.
Who?
मेरे पास में ही बैठी है.
Stop.
You wait, beta. You'll throw it in the air.
No, I won't.
Yeah, the 2 shades are Cherry Blossom Cake and Peach Pie. So the shade name is Cherry Peach in total. Are you done opening your...
It's you open.
Exactly.
आराम से खोलना.
Exactly. Don't teach your badas. Badas are called badas for a reason. The hell.
Wait, do you have a sharp thing?
I know what you're trying to do. It's not there.
I saw people if they open this.
It's not there. There's no cap on it.
There is a circle.
How can I explain this to someone?
You're gonna get
It's not yours. It's everyone's. Shut up. Stop calling it yours.
Yeah, but still.
Shut up. Okay, मिल गया. I found it.
आराम से दिया, आराम से दिया.
Can you stop, pledge?
दी बीच में से निकालो.
अबे यार.
एक में दिखाओ.
Warning: do not try this at home.
अरे देखो.
So hard though. I will literally just want to throw this on the ground now.
एक मिनट. वो देखते देखो कैसे खोलते हैं. YouTube पे देखो. YouTube पे देखो.
Guys, now we're gonna see how
दीदी.
to open. Shut up, don't teach her.
मैं भी पहले ढूंढा
Guys,
दीदी.
there's a tape on it.
किधर गई टेप अभी?
There's a tape on it. We didn't see it. And
You
then-
didn't see it. You mean?
And then I just saw it. That's not supposed to open.
Yeah.
Oh, you took it out?
Yeah, I did. Remember? Okay, chalo. Now I'll keep it like this.
You want to know what this idiot did on the cap? You can see all these scars. That's done by Divyanshi Chanslani.
Hey, easy bake.
She has been dying to get this voice.
I literally was, but it was not.
I
available.
really was.
अरे यार, I forgot to take that.
Text that.
I forgot to take Sol de Janeiro and Touchland. Yeah. I forget things very fast.
Sure you do.
You keep it at the line.
Behan, powder will only come out now. You have to close it.
I love this product.
Because it's my choice.
Recommended.
It's my choice.
And that Easy Bake also recommended. And my lipstick also recommended.
Everything is recommended, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one.
Okay, so now let's see. ये सब तो सामान हमने देख लिया. Now let's see हम लोग खाने में क्या मंगाने वाले हैं. So what do you want to eat? Papa was telling like some French, like chow mein and all. Noodles, I like noodles. Let's see पापा क्या मंगाएंगे. So तो हमने खाना मंगा लिया था और हमने खाना भी खा लिया. We ordered like Manchurian, fried rice, and like 2-3 other things. So that's all for our video today. We're gonna see you in the next video. So तब तक के लिए bye.